Welcome to DIY Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to save money. If you've got a leaky loo, I'm going to show you how to fix it and how to save up to £500 a year. So let's have a look over here. Okay, I've just simulated this for demonstration purposes, but you can see the leak into the pan. Okay, first things first, let's isolate the water. So let's do that down here. Right, from vertical to horizontal. There we go, and you can hear the water that stopped. Okay, that's great. Okay, so the type of toilet I'm talking about here is the push button style system that's got a flush valve mechanism inside. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Right, first things first, let's take the lid off. This is the mechanism, so what we'll do is turn this anti-clockwise. We'll just put that down for a second. And that's the lollipop stick, just for my simulation. Okay, so we've got a bit of water in there, so what we'll do is we'll just get that up with a sponge and just put that down straight into the pan. Okay. Right, so this might just take a couple of minutes, but just carry on doing that. Let the sponge soak it up. Okay. Right. So we've got a bit more there. Okay. So just carry on doing that too. It's basically 99% up. And then what we'll do is we'll get a kitchen towel and just see if there's any loose bits there that we can pick up. Okay, so we'll just put that down, get a bit of kitchen towel. Okay, so if there is any loose bits, it'll stick to the kitchen towel. Okay. Right. And what I would strongly recommend is do not use any system block in the system, because it'll create a gap and you'll have a leak. So system blocks are a big no-no in this type of toilet. Okay, so what we'll do is, you see that's, I would say that's pretty good there. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Right, so let's have a look at the flush valve. Okay, so that's your retaining clip and that's your rubber seal. Okay, so there's a bit of grime there, don't look great. I mean, the clip is already broken, so it's not doing any good. And also, in some cases, the seal would have shrunk. So what we'll do is we'll get that out. Okay, so we need a flat-headed screwdriver for this. Okay, and what we do is just get the screwdriver in there and just pull that out. You can see that's come out quite easy. It's probably had it. So they're normally quite difficult to get out, to be honest. We'll take the rubber seal off. That's not particularly great, that. Okay, so what we'll do is, okay, so this part here, give it a good wipe, make sure that's clean before the seal goes on there. Right, okay. Right, so I'm happy with that. You can see that's quite clean. Right, so okay, so here's the new seal and here's the new retaining clip. So we'll put the seal over first. Okay, let me just put that clip down there. So, okay, so make sure that's firmly in. Okay, and get your new clip, which is here, and just push that in. That's it, and you've heard that click, but press that down anyway, just to be sure. Okay, so that looks a lot better than what it was before. Okay, so let's put that back in. Okay, so we locate the tabs just there and turn that clockwise till you hear the click. Okay, that's great, I'm happy with that. So now what we'll do is we'll reinstate the water. Okay, so let's get here. So we'll go from horizontal to vertical. Okay, so that's good. So this is going to take about 60 seconds to fill up. We want it to get to 6 litres and then we'll go from there. Okay, so as I was saying before, if you've got a leak, for example us, we're on a water meter, we're in London, and that's going to cost you money. So it could be £100, it could be £500 a year, depends how much water you're wasting. So that's one of the reasons why a simple job like this can save you hundreds of pounds, and you're saving water as well. So let's go back to the system, let's have a look. So it's filling up there, and just to say again, really I can't explain how important it is. If you've got this type of system, like a flush valve with a push button, do not use any system block at all whatsoever, because that creates the leak. So we'll just let that fill up, get to 6 litres, and then we'll put the lid back, give it a flush, and then go from there. So right, so we've just gone past 4 litres, coming up to 6 now, and that'll shut off. So right, coming up there now. Okay, that's great, that's 6 litres, bang on, and it stops. Okay, so we'll put the lid back on. Put the lid back on. Right, get rid of the old bits and bobs. Okay, so I'm going to flush the toilet, and then once the seal goes back down, it won't leak. So let's go. Okay, so that's essentially it. It's been flushed, the seals dropped back down, and you can see that there's no leaking water there now. Obviously you might have one tiny bit where it's still left in the pan, but that's a tiny little drop, and then that's going to stop. And you can see that that's a massive difference to how it was before. So that is that. So thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please email me.